RHS Chelsea Flower Show 2024, a celebration of nature's artistry. The RHS Chelsea Flower Show 2024, a world-renowned horticultural extravaganza, once again transformed the grounds of the Royal Hospital Chelsea into a breathtaking tapestry of floral artistry and innovative garden design. The show captivated visitors with its stunning displays, pushing the boundaries of creativity and showcasing the latest trends in gardening. Show gardens where dreams blossom. The show gardens, the centerpiece of the event, were a testament to the extraordinary talent and vision of leading garden designers. Each garden told a unique story, exploring diverse themes ranging from sustainability and environmental awareness to mental well-being and cultural heritage. Visitors meandered through enchanting landscapes, marveling at the intricate planting schemes, sculptural elements, and innovative use of materials. Among the standout show gardens was the Sanctuary Garden, designed by renowned landscape architect Sarah Eberly. Inspired by the restorative power of nature, the garden featured a tranquil oasis of lush greenery, cascading waterfalls, and a meandering stream. Visitors were invited to pause, reflect, and reconnect with the natural world. Floral displays, a kaleidoscope of colour. The Great Pavilion, a vast marquee bursting with floral displays, was a feast for the senses. Expert growers and nurseries from around the world showcased their finest blooms, creating a kaleidoscope of colour and fragrance. From delicate orchids and vibrant roses to exotic succulents and towering delphiniums, the displays were a testament to the diversity and beauty of the plant kingdom. One of the most captivating exhibits was the Orchid Extravaganza, which featured a mesmerizing collection of rare and exotic orchids. The display was a testament to the skill and dedication of orchid growers, who have mastered the art of cultivating these delicate and intricate flowers. Artisan gardens, small spaces, big ideas. The artisan gardens, nestled within the showgrounds, were a testament to the creativity and ingenuity of garden designers working with limited space. These smaller gardens showcased innovative planting schemes, clever use of vertical space, and unique design elements. Visitors were inspired to transform their own balconies, patios, and courtyards into miniature havens of beauty. A highlight of the artisan gardens was the Urban Oasis, a compact garden designed to bring nature into the heart of the city. The garden featured a variety of edible plants, a rainwater harvesting system, and a living wall, demonstrating how even the smallest spaces can be transformed into sustainable and productive environments. Beyond the gardens, a world of inspiration. The RHS Chelsea Flower Show was more than just a display of horticultural excellence. It was a celebration of the power of plants to enrich our lives. Visitors could explore the many stalls and exhibits, discovering new gardening products, attending talks and workshops, and indulging in delicious food and drink. The show also provided a platform for important discussions about sustainability, climate change, and the role of gardens in promoting biodiversity. The RHS Chelsea Flower Show 2024 was a resounding success, inspiring and delighting visitors from around the world. It was a testament to the enduring appeal of gardening and the transformative power of nature. As the show drew to a close, visitors left with a renewed appreciation for the beauty and importance of plants in our lives.